Tainted Scarecrow.
Alright guys, today we're just going to do a quick pocket dump what I'm carrying today. First item is going to be my Knox wallet. It's an aluminum front pocket RFID blocking wallet. Carry cards, you can put some cash under here. First item. Second item that I happen to have on me is a pocket sharpener. This is made by Diamond Machining Technology. Just folds out. You can get these in varying coarses, or coarseness, whatever you want to call it. This is just a fine, coarse stone. So then I have my Maritac. This is a AA copper flashlight. Just has the 2 brightness levels. Just has a natural carry patina to it. Then I have just my USN frag coin. My keys, nothing special. Just a standard Phoenix EO1. Just house keys, various other ones. My pry bar here, got this from County Com. And what else? It just has the Night Eyes S-Beaner and the copper tag and my USN band. And that, of course, is on one of the quick detach keychains. The next item is, I just have my GEC Hay and Helper. It's just a friction folding pocket knife. As you can see here, it's US made. This is a Farm and Field tool, made in USA. It's made in Titusville, PA, as you can see right there. One tool steel. And this has the knife bright scales, which I can show you here in a second. And then I have my iPhone. And today I'm carrying a Knick-Knuck. And my G19. So that's the carry for today, and I'll show you what they mean by knife bright. See, as you can see, just has acrylic glow scales. This side obviously didn't get as much light as this side. But that's it for the EDC Pocket Dump for today. Hope you guys like the stuff I had. If you have any questions on there, just feel free to ask.